channel. My name is Robin and this is my closet. Today I'm excited. I have another Bolzano bag. This will be my last one for a while since I did receive 3 and that will have set me for the fall. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like this video. And my hair is just kind of blowing away, so sorry about that. It's still beautiful out here. And if you are returning to my channel or just subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. So Bolzano, you can get it as a monthly subscription. You can put it on hold. They have different types of subscriptions. I will leave my link below, and I think there's a discount coupon with it. But you can get the handbag with accessories. You can get the handbag with accessories and then like a makeup kit, which is what I got. And then I think there's one above that. So it's a really nice service, but don't feel that you need to get like a whole 12 months of purses. So let's get into it. It comes in the outer wrap. And hopefully with the little breeze I have going on here, this isn't going to blow into the neighbor's yard. And then it comes with a nice dust bag. And they put a bow on it, and it says, "You deserve to be spoiled." I think we all do. Okay, and when you sign up for Bolzano, you can put what size bags you like, small, medium, large. You can put what kind of colors you like. Last month I received a really pretty like mustard color. And today looks like it's black. This is the style, and it's super, super soft. It's got the zipper on the back. It says Bolzano, and I can't tell if this is black or blue. Since I'm filming outside, the colors just seem to go. And you open it up, and it's nice because it's got a zipper. So for security, it's not just open and people can stick their hands in there. Then it has a shoulder strap. Now, I was having, let's see, is there, oh, my stuff's over there. I'm like, I was having issues canceling it, but I think I have it canceled. But this is actually super nice. It's got the cell phone pocket. It's got another pocket. I'm just trying to figure out if it's black or blue. But the quality is super nice because I said, I don't know if it's leather, but it sure feels like it. Then it's got the beautiful Bolzano logo, and you can take it off. You can use it as a keychain. You can leave it on for decorations. So this is really nice, and it's got, let me just show you, it's got the feet on the bottom, and it's just driving me crazy because I can't tell if it's black or blue. I want to say it's blue, but I'll make sure before I finish the video. I will check the color. Congratulations on signing up to receive surprise and styling each month. So this is the bag, and it has different colors on it. And trying to figure out everything because there's so much stuff. Go for it, girl. It looks like it's just a card holder, which is really nice because that's exactly what I need. Every time we go out and I use my debit card, I can never find it. And my other half is like, you need to find a spot. I have organized wallets, I have everything, but it never seems to get back in the same spot. So this is actually perfect because I can just keep my driver's license and the debit card that I use all the time and not have to worry. And go for it, girl card. Carry this card as a reminder of everything you are capable of, all the things you can do to try and make a difference in your own life and in that of others. And Bolzano is making a difference during Down Syndrome Awareness Month by donating to the Down Syndrome Foundation. And there's a website. So how nice is that they're picking different causes to donate to. So I like that. And then the next thing in here, cute little jewelry bag. And looks like there's definitely a ring in there, and I'm not sure if there's a necklace that goes, oh, and there goes the ring. But there is a necklace. It's a very long necklace. I don't know if you can see this very well, but I'm going to be doing a try-on for Stitch Fix. So I will wear this necklace during that. And now that I dropped the ring, I'll be right back. Okay, and here is the ring. It's in silver. It's too big for this finger, and I guess it'll fit on that finger. I'm not like, I just wear rings on my one finger there, but it's probably adjustable. So that's the ring. So those were my accessories. They usually give you about 3. Normally you get a scarf, and I'm not a big scarf wearer, so I appreciate the fact that there were no scarves in this one. Okay, and then I sign up for the add-ons. And it looks like it's feet add-ons. Who doesn't love some love into your feet? Okay. There's these slippers. Dawn Mist Hand and Body Lotion. So there's this little packet. Vitamin and Aloe Lightly Scented. Well, that's kind of neat. Then there's 3 pairs of these slippers. Sorry, I am just blown away here. We've got a pink, a black, and I don't know if that's a taupe. Let me see if I can find out about these. Fashion charm of your choice for a symbol of beauty. Winter essential to warmth and charm. Beautiful people are no longer frozen. So I don't know if they're a slipper or a sock because they're kind of thin, but they're very pretty and very unique. I don't remember getting slippers. And silicone socks. What the silicone foot socks can do. The foot sole is usually ignored, closely related to the season. The skin becomes harder, thicker, and dry. The result can be heel and foot pain. So it's got directions on how to use it. So I don't know how many are in here. It recommends a foot bath. And I'm just trying to see how many socks are in here. But I do like the fact that they're paying attention to your feet. I just went to, where was it, TJ Maxx or somewhere, and I bought a pack of 5-foot masks. So I'm just really excited that we have this. So I got this, and I'm loving my card case. And then I have the necklace and the ring. And I can't wait to try this because it's a kind of a different lotion. And then this handbag. And I will be right back because I'm going to take it inside to see what color it is. Okay, I'm thinking, I took it inside and I'm thinking it's blue. It's just like driving me crazy. So let me know what you thought of this subscription. I enjoy it, but again, I don't need that many fall bags, especially because it's really not that cold here. But I did enjoy this bag. I definitely enjoyed the accessories. So please comment, comment, comment. And as always, you guys have an awesome day.